Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different again. It's not nail related, we're doing some more mystery packages. I did originally record the audio whilst I was unboxing, but to be honest I'm still learning and it sounded awful. You could hear the autofocus on my camera just go meh, meh, meh. And then you could also hear all the rustling from all the packaging, and it just, I don't want to completely deafen you guys, so I decided to do a voiceover. The first box cost me £3.99. It says in the title description that it contains electronics, clothing, phone parts, beauty tools, at least 2 items in the UK. And then the second box, that cost me £6.99. In the title description it says mystery box, new electronics, clothing, toys, games, DVDs, all new, 5 items or more. So it's all brand new and good value, and they're stock clearance company, so you could literally get a bit of anything. I decided to open the smaller one first, and I knew there was some form of clothing or something along them lines inside of it, so I could feel that the item in there was made out of material. The item in there was just in another little jiffy bag. All it said on there was made in China with like a code number. Literally no clues as to what it could possibly be. So I thought it'd be sensible and open up the package with my fingers rather than a pair of scissors. It being material, I didn't want to accidentally cut through it. It turned out to be a super cooling towel. I've never had one of these before. I don't really have much of a purpose for it, to be honest. I don't really do much exercise. It looks like it's more designed for athletic people. Most exercise I ever do is chase my 2-year-old toddler around. It says in the package it has a cooling effect, sweat absorbent and dries quickly, and it's instantly cooling, refreshing and breathable. It's probably not something I will ever use. I'll probably end up donating it to a charity shop. It's kind of cool. I did look it up online and it's worth probably around a £5, maybe a little bit more. So I can't really complain considering I only paid £3.99 for the whole entire package itself, and I've still got 2 more items in there to look at. So yeah, even though it's not something that's suitable for me, I'm still happy it's worth the money that I paid. It's literally just a long rectangular piece of material. These are sort of aerated holes inside of it. I assume it's just sort of more put around your neck or wherever you sort of find yourself getting a bit sweaty when you're doing exercise. I will try and find a link for the product to post down below if it's something you're interested in buying, because you never know, it's just not something for me, but I suppose it probably could come in useful to quite a lot of people, especially in the sort of heat that we're having at the moment. Like I said, they are generally pretty cheap. The first one I found online, I think it might have been an eBay ad, was for £4.99. Not bad at all. I'm happy. I'll pay £3.99 for the box, even though it's not a product I'm actually likely to use. At least I can say I got my money's worth. The next item I got, I believe to be a phone grip. Funnily enough, I only bought myself one of these the other day because mine broke off my phone. They're only generally worth a couple of quid, but I've got a spare one now, so I'm actually quite happy, because it's kind of gutting when your one breaks off, because I have quite a chunky phone, and it's like, especially when I'm let down in bed and that, I quite often drop my phone in my face, so it's always useful to have one of those as backup. If you haven't already got one of these for your phone, I definitely recommend getting one. They're so useful. They even work as like a little stand. You can pop your phone up if you're watching TV or whatever on your phone. They're really useful. I'll try and sort of put a link in again for some cool ones. Maybe you guys will be interested in buying one. So yeah, I'm very happy that I got that. I can't complain about it at all. I really like the little bag it comes in as well. It's kind of super cute. So last but definitely not least, I got some cute, I've never seen them so small in my life, little mini LED fairy lights. They light up yellow. They're super cute. I love fairy lights. I use them quite a bit for photography. If you're interested in photography, I have got an Instagram account. If you fancy having a look, I will link that down below as well. I'm really chuffed with these. I'm a bit of a fairy light fiend. I've got a couple of different pairs of fairy lights, and I really enjoy them. I love the atmosphere they give off, so a little cute mini pair like this, I'm over the moon with. They're probably really cheap. They're probably literally only a quid, maybe 2 quid, but I'm happy, more than happy. So all in all, for the price that I paid for this package, I'm very happy. The cooling towel's not really much use to me, but the phone grip and the fairy lights are definitely coming useful. I use these sort of items all the time anyway, so that's well worth it in my opinion. I'm happy. I will link that package down below for you, so if you want to take the risk and see what you get as well, you can. On to the next package. Please excuse my way of opening the box. I don't have any proper parcel openers, so scissors are the one. Okay, so I was really hopeful for this box. I was kind of hoping for some cool new DVD of a film I haven't seen, or a new game to play. I do like a bit of gaming. That first item though, I laughed, and I mean I laughed hard, because if you've watched my previous mystery box video, you'll see I had this exactly the same item. So now I have two computer earphones, and I didn't even use the first one yet, so I don't really feel like I need the second one. It's kind of funny of all items in the world to go and get exactly the same item again. The next item I'm very happy with. I'm absolutely in love with elephants. I've got so many different elephant ornaments and elephant throws, and I'm just a bit elephant mad. And who doesn't need a new notebook here and there? So I'm happy. It's only probably like £1 or £2, but you know, it's cute. I like it. I'm happy. Even the little pages on the inside are super sweet. So I'm not complaining. Then I got some nail wraps. I'm really happy to get some nail related products. Totally unexpected. I've never used nail wraps before. I'm pretty sure these are probably only worth like £1 or £2 again. You probably get them in the pound shop. I will do a completely different video on those, and we'll see how I get on with them. Not really my sort of design, but I'll give them a go just because I'm curious as to how they work. Next I got this little, I'm assuming a kid's toothbrush. Obviously not overly great, not overly impressed at all. Again, it's probably only worth £1, maybe £2. It's a Monster High one. It's not a brand I'm familiar with. I'm assuming it's some sort of kids program. I must admit though, I did really like the little holographic cap with it. If you can see, it sort of changes its little picture, so it's kind of cute, but you know, not really ideal to get in a mystery box. Then I got a highlighter pen. You know, it's a highlighter pen. I can't really say a lot about it. Probably buy one for £1. Not really great. Not gonna complain. You know, I'm sure it'll get used. Nothing really exciting, but yeah. Then the very last item today is these really cute little LED battery powered candle type things. They're really sweet. To be honest, I would have preferred to get the sun ones. I was sort of hoping you'd get like one of each, but I only got 2 stars. If anyone knows where I can hunt these down, please let me know. I'd quite like to get the suns and the moons as well. They're really cute, they're my sort of thing. They've gone on my shelf with all my little ornaments. I really love that sort of thing. It's probably my favourite thing out of this box. I don't know how much they're worth. Probably a couple of £1. So yeah, they're cute, I'm happy. Between these and the cute little fairy lights I've got, I'll add them onto my collection, and I'm sure they'll create an absolutely lovely atmosphere in the room. Can't go wrong. I feel so happy and calm. I'm just completely relaxed when I'm sort of sat in a dark room, just the fairy lights going, watching TV, feet up. It's just bliss, pure bliss to me. So all in all, between these 2 packages that I've got, I'm reasonably happy. There's a few items in there that I really like. I've been mixed up in items. I've got things I've got another computer or but anyway, hey guys, it's part of the mystery. I will, like I said, I'll link up if you can understand it. I'll link up the boxes. I'll link to the copies of the boxes just so it's one for you. I'll link up my different videos to go with me to watch. I hope you enjoyed this video. I've enjoyed doing it. I'll definitely be wearing the mystery boxes. I love it. I'll just get enough of it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next one.